An Indian national who has been languishing for the past 18 years in a Saudi jail is set to be freed after the Riyadh criminal court revoked his death sentence in a case relating to the accidental death of his sponsor's paralyzed son in 2006. Abdul Rahim hails from the Indian state of Kerala. He had gone to work in 2006 for a family in Saudi Arabia as a driver. He was also entrusted with the care of the family's paralyzed son. It is learned that while Rahim was driving a car with a boy in the back seat, the life support system came off, leading to the 15-year-old's death. Since then, he has been languishing in a jail and was sentenced to death in 2018. The decision was even upheld by Saudi Arabia's top court. Now, last year, the family of the victim agreed to pardon Abdul Rahim in exchange for around $4 million of blood money. The plea to save Abdul Rahim prompted a massive drive to collect the money to secure his release. Now, many people from the community in Kerala, which he belonged to, including several celebrities, politicians and overseas Indians, have joined the drive. The initiative raised a whopping 15 million Saudi riyals, or around $4 million. The Indian embassy has also been following up on the matter with the Saudi courts and agencies and has extended full assistance to the family of Abdul Rahim to transfer the money collected to the court in Saudi Arabia. The court is expected to issue the release order soon. For the very latest on this, our senior correspondent Siddharth MP sent us this report.
In a major victory for Abdul Rahim, a native of Kozhikode district in Kerala, a Saudi court has revoked his death sentence. He was on death row for the last couple of years. This is in connection with a case that's almost 18 years old, when he was in Saudi Arabia and barely spent 3 weeks there taking care of his sponsor or employer's son, who was a differently abled child. But some error on his part or some inadvertent mistake on his part led to the child's death. Since then, Abdul Rahim has been in jail, and for the last couple of years he was on death row. But then his family has been able to appeal with the support of several Malayalis and influential individuals. They even raised 34 crore Indian rupees to pay diya or blood money to convince the victim's family to release him or pardon him. And that family has accepted the pardon, following which the court in Saudi Arabia has also accepted to revoke the death sentence we were given to understand. The next step will be for a formal court order to be issued. Thereafter, the governorate in Riyadh in Saudi Arabia has also got to issue a formal communication in this regard regarding his release. And once that is through, almost after a gap of 18 years, Abdul Rahim can get back to his family in Kerala in Kozhikode district. We have to keep in mind that this is a massive battle that people from across Kerala have been fighting for to ensure that Rahim gets back to his home and to his mother, who's been waiting for him. From Chennai, Siddharth MP, WION World is One.
For all the latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.